Okay guys, Indian culture is an integral part for us, both from pre and mains point of view. And Indian culture, among Indian culture, yeah, in Indian culture, Indian painting is one of the most vital topics in Indian culture. Okay, the thing is that Indian culture is not so small or not so tiny that we can finish it. Okay, for example, you see Indian painting, even our PhD scholar also cannot finish the whole topic after 3 or 4 years rigorous study also. But how can we finish Indian painting within 3 or 2 months? Okay, just the thing is that it is general study. General study means we have to just bring a perception that what is painting, what are the different types of paintings, what are the various types of paintings found in India. Okay, just in this lecture of Indian painting, I will try to give you a small idea about the Indian painting. Okay, just I am not going in detail, but just I am here trying to mention those points that even if you can't remember anything in exam, then you can write those points and you will get marks. Okay, and one thing always remember while preparing Indian painting, that while you read in different books, you will see that what is the shape of the nose, what is the shape of the face of which painting. Okay, so these kind of things are actually not important from exam point of view. Okay, and if you're trying to also remember these things, then cost benefit ratio will be very less. Okay, because in exam hall you can't remember that which painting bears which kind of face, which kind of hand, which kind of leg. Okay, that's why try to analyze and try to memorize always those points which you can remember in case of Indian painting. Okay, just here I'm trying to give you a very brief note on pahari painting. Then what is pahari painting? Pahari painting is that kind of painting which was generally originated in northwestern parts of the country, that is especially in hilly areas. Okay, when Mughal painting declined, the artists who are employed in the Mughal court, okay, they were employed in Rajput courts. Okay, in the courts of the Rajput kings. Okay, then the painters, the artists who were employed in Mughal court, and after the decline of the Mughal court, they were employed in especially in Rajasthan area. Okay, not only in Rajasthan, Punjab Hills, Kashmir. Okay, they were employed in different Rajput courts. Apart from Rajput courts, they were employed in other courts of other kings, other courts of hilly areas. Okay, the artists who were employed in Mughal court, but with the decline of Mughal painting, when they were employed in northeastern courts, and the paintings, the art who is produced by this genre of artist is generally known as pahari painting. Okay, just mind that there are different types of pahari painting. For example, Basholi, Jammu, Garhwal, Chamba, Kangara, Gular, Mandi. Okay, these are different types of pahari painting. You just need not to remember all the names. Just try to remember 2 or 3 points. Okay, I am again repeating: Basholi, Jammu, Garhwal, Chamba, Kangara, Gular, and Mandi. And among them, you have to remember that the most important and most old pahari painting is the Basholi. Basholi, Basholi painting. Among the various genres, various types of pahari paintings, the most important and oldest genre of pahari painting is Basholi painting, and it actually showed exuberance under the King Kripal Pal. Okay, during the reign of Kripal Pal, Basholi painting showed an exuberance of art. Okay, exuberance, it came into full bloom. Under Kripal Pal, pahari painting came into full bloom. Okay, just here one thing is that Basholi is a place situated near Ravi River in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, now I am not going to discuss. I have already told you the unnecessary points which you will find in different books, like what is the shape of the face, okay, what is the color used it. Until and unless I think that such point is important, I am not going to discuss such points. Okay, here I have divided some important characteristics of pahari painting. Those important characteristics are: love. Love is a integral part of pahari painting, and among the various themes which are depicted in love, the most important theme is Madhav Madhav Malati and Nal Damayanti. One of the main theme, one of the main character of pahari painting is love. Okay, love means what? Love means the depiction of romantic relationship between two lovers. Okay, between two lovers. And among the various themes that this among the various themes of love, the most prominent two themes are Madhav Malati and Nal Damayanti, which are depicted by pahari painting. Then another most important theme of pahari painting is Rasa Manjari, R-A-S-A, Rasha, M-A-N-J-A-R-I, Rasha Manjari. It is actually text that has been written by Bhanudatta of Mithila. He is a Brahmin and he has wrote the book Rasha Manjari. Rasa Manjari is a text written by Bhanudatta of Mithila. And what is Rasa Manjari? We all know that in Indian mythology, in Indian mythology, there are 9 Indian mythology. We have found that the art bears 9 kind of rasa. Okay, 9 kind of rasa, R-A-S-A, we have found in Indian art. Okay, and these various rasas are depicted by pahari painting. Okay, till now we have seen that love is an integral part of pahari painting, and in love, two most prominent theme of pahari painting are Madhava Malati and Nal Damayanti. And another most important theme or character of pahari painting is Rasa Manjari. Rasa means there are in Indian art there are 9 kind of ras which are dependent on various mood, various emotion and feeling of a person. Okay, these are there are 9 rasa, and pahari paintings depict these 9 rasa. Especially Rasa Manjari is a prominent theme in pahari painting. Okay, then another most important theme is the Devi series, D-E-V-I-S-E-R-I-E-S. Devi series is a most important theme of pahari painting. Devi series means the different incarnations and different forms of Devis are depicted in Indian painting. Okay, till now what we have seen, there are 3 characters of pahari painting: love in Rasa Manjari and Devi series. And another most important and prominent theme or character of pahari painting is Naika Veda, N-A-Y-I-K-A, Naika Veda, V-H-E-D-A. And what is Naika Veda? What is Naika Veda? Bharat Muni in his Naitya Shastra has mentioned about 8 kinds of Naika Veda. Okay, Bharat Muni in his Naitya Shastra mentions about 8 kinds of Naika Veda. Naika Veda means a kind of depending on a romantic mood. Actually, Naika, the heroine, Naika means a kind of romantic heroine. Okay, and depending on the romantic mood, a Naika has been depicted in 8 ways. Okay, for example, Khandita Naika, Abhisarika Naika, these are very lyrical and very romantic mode. Okay, Khandita Naika means she is angry with her lover. Okay, when she awaits whole night for the lover and lover still has not come, she becomes very enraged for her lover. And Abhisarika Naika, okay, in this way there are different kind of Naika Veda. Naika Veda means the representation of a romantic romantic mood of the heroine. The Naika Bheda means the hero representation of the romantic mood of a heroine, and there are different 8 kinds of Khandita Naika as mentioned by Bharata Muni in Naitya Shastra, and these Naika Bhedas are represented in Pahari painting. Okay, till now what we have seen that in Pahari painting there are different characteristics of Pahari painting, and the characteristics are love, Rasamanjari, Naika Bheda and Devi series. In love, Madhava, Malati and Nal Damayanti are 2 prominent themes. In Rasa Manjari means it is a text written by Bhanudatta of Mithila, and it depicts the 9 Rasa, and Pahari painting also depicts this theme, Rasa Manjari. Okay, then another theme is Devi series. Devi means different forms of Devi, and Pahari painting, Devi series is a prominent theme of Pahari painting. Another most prominent character of Pahari painting is Naika Bheda. Naika Bheda means representation of a heroine, representation of a romantic heroine depending on her mood. And after that, another prominent characteristics is that the Bhaktivad. Influence of Bhaktivad is also seen in Pahari painting. Okay, the influence, how Bhaktivad influence in Pahari painting we will discuss in the later chapter, in later lecture. Okay, and one another thing is that the Pahari painting is very lyrical. It bears influence of Rajput painting, and that's why it is very lyrical. This lyrical character of Pahari painting and the influence of Bhaktivad in Pahari painting we will discuss in next lecture. Okay.